The leading dimension function in CimatronE enables you to easily change the names and values of dimensions from a designated tool at any stage during your design. This will save you time by not having to look for individual dimensions in order to modify them. In order to use the leading dimension tool, you first need to assign an attribute to the dimensions. To do this, edit the dimension and click on the Mark as Leading Dimension button. Approve, and the dimension will be marked with the letter L. Expand the Edit menu and activate the Leading Dimension tool. As you can see, the dimension marked as Leading Dimension appears in the table. You can rename the dimension and change its value. Approve, and the change of the dimension value is implemented on the model. In this slider assembly, we define several dimensions in each part as leading dimensions. When you activate one of the assembly parts and afterwards the leading dimension function, then only the dimensions that were defined as leading dimensions in that part appear in this table. When you activate the assembly and afterwards the leading dimension function, then all the dimensions that were defined as leading dimensions from all the parts in the assembly appear in the table. The dimensions from different parts are separated by a change in their color representation. In order to see to which part from the assembly each dimension belongs, check the Include Part in Leading Dimension Name box, and the name of the part will appear in the dimension column. As you've just seen, you can edit the leading dimension at any time during your design. You can also edit the leading dimension when adding a part or an assembly to your project. Activate the Add Duplicate function and select the component to be added. Place the component and the Edit Leading Dimensions button will be available. The ability to edit the leading dimensions while adding a component is only available when using the Add Duplicate function. It would not be available when using the Add Component or Add from Catalog functions.